screams. This ain't no place for quiet dreams.